Good morning this Wednesday, the 13th of March. I'm Sam Kanan, a market analyst at Bell Direct. Wall Street closed higher overnight as stocks resumed the recent rally after key inflation data came in line with expectations. The Dow Jones climbed 0.61%, the S&P 500 traded 1.12% higher, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq rose 1.54%. Investors took confidence in the slight rise in inflation through the latest CPI data, indicating core inflation rose 0.4% in February from January and 3.8% year-on-year, while the inflation rate in the US rose just 0.1% to 3.2% in February. Over in Europe, markets closed higher in the region as investors responded to the latest US inflation data report. The Stoxx 600 rose 1%, driven by automotive stocks, while Germany's DAX rose 1.23%, the French CAC added 0.84%, and over in the UK, the FTSE 100 gained 1.02% on Tuesday. British unemployment rate data came out yesterday, indicating a rise to 3.9% for January from 3.8% in December, and slowing wage growth, which provides further supportive evidence for interest rate cuts to come. Locally yesterday, the ASX 200 ended Tuesday's rollercoaster session 0.1% higher, after a morning rally was overturned in midday trade by a US inflation data fear-driven sell-off, before settling the day up 0.1%. Gains were led by the information technology and utility sectors, which rose 1.15% and 0.88% respectively. This was offset by the energy sector, which lost 0.77%. As for what to watch locally today, the Australian share market is set to open higher, with the SPI future suggesting a rise of 0.18% at market open this morning. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.16% higher at $78.05 a barrel, following OPEC's optimistic outlook on global oil demand growth in 2024 and 2025. Gold is trading 1.1% lower at $2,158 an ounce, following US inflation data coming back slightly above expectations. And iron ore is trading down 5.96% to $110.50 a tonne, following subdued demand in China, causing a cautious approach among steelmakers who are hesitant on restocking supply. And now to end on some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has maintained a buy rating on Telstra Group and has an unchanged 12-month price target of $4.25. The buy rating is maintained by Bell Potter as the FY24 results are seen as a potential catalyst to meet the guidance, with the highlights being continued strong growth in the core mobile and infrastructure businesses, and signs of some turnaround in enterprise. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal in GUD Holdings, indicating that the stock price may rise from the close of $11.42 to the close of $13.40 to $13.90 on a pattern formed over 25 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. We hope you have a great day, and as always, happy investing.